Let's review the E8 headphones from Cowin. I was so surprised about the packaging without even knowing what was inside. It's a nice case containing all the documents I'll never read, a VIP card, and the main case of the headphones. Now, it's only when you open the carrying case that the magic starts. First off, a travel pouch. Inside it, the braided cables, one micro USB cable for charging without outlet connector, which kind of sucks, one 3.5mm cord that can be used as when the battery is dead or on non-Bluetooth compatible devices, and a 6.35mm adapter if you really want to push the limits. Now let's grab these babies. They feel heavier than E7s, and that's probably because they're bigger and have more metal parts. They seem also sturdier, which is really nice. I love the golden accent, and they have soft pads protecting your ears and your upper head and really compensating the weight. The carrying case will definitely protect your headphones from decent damage, but it's not that convenient because of the size. Now let's see the interface. First is the ANC switch to control noise cancelling feature. Next, we have the power button that turns on and off the headphones, plays and pauses sound, and also triggers parry mode when long pressed. Finally, we got the volume up and down buttons that also functions as next and previous song when long pressed. In the bottom, you'll see the micro USB port for charging and also the 3.5mm port for a wired listening experience. Keep in mind that according to the user's guide, you have to let the battery charge for at least 8 hours prior to first use to ensure the battery health. Pairing is really simple, just like any other Bluetooth headphone. And you start by long pressing the power button until you hear a power on and a pairing. You'll notice the light will flash, letting you know that it's in pairing mode. And once that happens, you'll see a device called E8 appear on your phone's Bluetooth page. You just have to tap it and you're good to go. Now, after some time of testing and use, I have to say they are very comfortable, even after several hours of use. The battery life is outstandingly better than the E7s. I just would love to have a dedicated on-off switch instead of having to long press the power button, but that's just my personal preference. These headphones have decent sound quality for the price point, and you'll enjoy listening to your music from the most popular sources. The ANC capabilities are definitely improving from previous models, yet still have a long road to create a reliable experience for the users. My overall rating for these cams is a flat 8. And I'll definitely recommend you to get one of these if you have the money and you get a nice deal on Amazon. Well guys, I hope you liked this video and please subscribe.